Kwa mbele Jotend piny machon Uhuru Kenyatta oseo jotend migepe Jotend Afrika owee ng'ur ewi wach Donald Trump keto chike ewi sir ne kuom chenro madito mamulo pinje mag Afrika. Kolose romo e boma ma Mombasa, Kenyatta wacho ni pinje Afrika nitie kod nyalo mar siro thoth chenro makmana mibadhi kod tiyo marach kod omenda go ema kelo midhiero makamago.
I saw some people the other day crying, oh, I don't know, Trump has removed money. He said he's not giving us any more money. Watu wanalia. Why are you crying? It's not your government, it's not your country. He has no reason to give you anything. I mean, hey, you don't pay taxes in America. He is appealing to his people. Shauri yenu bana. This is a wake-up call for you to say, okay, what are we going to do to help ourselves? Instead of crying, tujiulize, what are we going to do? Haya ametoa hiyo pesa, sasa tutafanya namna gani jameni? What are we going to do? Yeah? To support ourselves. Because nobody is going to continue holding out a hand there to give you. It is time for us to use our resources for the right things. We are the ones who are using them for the wrong things. Yeah? The bullets and the guns we buy, we're not given for free. We buy them. And we're not buying them to go and fight wars off our shores. We are fighting our own people. Hapa too. Yeah? Brother killing sister, sister killing brother. Over stupid things. Yeah? Let us work together to bring an end to all of that and to focus ourselves on those issues that really matter for our people.